Platteville Pivots and Water Rights is a beautiful farm just 2 miles east of Platteville, Colorado. This farm is highlighted by 70.54 shares of Farmers Reservoir and Irrigation Company, FRICO BARR, and 145 acre-feet of Class D Allotment from Central Water Conservancy District. The farm has 3 contiguous quarters of land running from east to west. With a beautiful view of Long's Peak, this property is level to gently sloping towards the mountains. The property is very well located on good county roads and is only 44 miles to Denver, 30 miles to Denver National Airport, and 15 miles from the I-25 corridor. The farm features a 1996 custom-built 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom home that is 2,366 square feet with a fully finished basement. There's a large horse facility with indoor stalls and a full-size arena, as well as an additional metal shop that is heated with concrete floors, providing a great place to work equipment. There are also 2 ponds located on the property. The water rights are in high demand, and FRICO BARR can be taken into the city of Brighton for development purposes. The 145 acre-feet of Central Water Conservancy District can be sold within the district as well. Due to its convenient location, abundant water, and facilities, Platteville Pivots and Water Rights provides numerous opportunities. For your own private showing, please contact Seth Hayden at 970-692-6321.